So now that we have some lights in here that we can actually see what we're doing, I can see the mess this place is a lot better than I could a couple of nights ago. So what we need to do, we need to finish building that back door. Hopefully, I'm hoping to have a good busy weekend, but a lot of this stuff is in my way. It is a pain in the ass building stuff over top of the sawmill rails. So I kind of need to get this stuff out of my way. We could do that a lot easier than that fast. And I mean, this pile right here and a lot of this stuff is taking up this entire floor space. So we got to move this stuff anyway. I really don't want to move it 50 times just to move it again to use it. So probably what we'll do, I have a wall to frame out. That's probably what we're going to do tonight. It's kind of late to get into the door project right now. And like I said, I kind of like to do it when I have some room on the floor. And also the other thing I can do, I have a lot of stuff. Once I get these walls right here framed out and I set aside the lumber for the doors right there, the rest of this pile of 2x6s and stuff can go up above into the wood shop so that we can build the wall in between her workout area and the wood shop and get that separated once and for all and make it so we can heat that end a lot easier. So if she wants to use it in the wintertime, it's possible. Also, the other purpose for building another couple walls in here, it'll actually be a lot easier for me to wire with the walls up. I really don't want to go any farther with that until I have everything kind of set up where I need it, because it's kind of pointless to sit there and have to move wires through and do it afterwards or before and then have to move stuff to stud it out and whatnot. So I don't know what I'm saying, but anyway, stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the other side of it. I wonder how many times I'm going to break my back moving these sawmill rails. But where they are right in the way. Oh boy, these suckers are heavy. That's better. Whew! Need my Wheaties for that. Just ate a big dinner, so it's like, ugh. Bye, construction. You know, I am sick of hearing this thing. This will wear down batteries a lot quicker, but it won't make me want to rip the hair out of my head. Much better. buddy. There's that hammer. Guys watch me completely eyeball this thing, just to make sure you guys know I'm not cheating you before the comments blow up and say, geez, you didn't level that. I don't know what you guys, first the camera's off a little bit, I don't know what you guys think about that, but that is that's with a complete eyeball, just trying to center. Let's see if I can get you a little. I'd say that's pretty good. Not 100% perfect, but not bad for an eyeball. Pretty good. Pretty darn good, I'd say. Well, another night gone, another piece of the puzzle in. Making a little bit of room so we could work on that final door section in a little more comfort. So like I said, we'll get, have enough boards to do the inside of this wall, and that's what I really care about. I may leave the other side open and turn it into shelves, put some blocking in between the studs, just turn it into shelves. You can't have enough shelf space in a building like this. If you can't tell with all the stuff strewn all over the place, we definitely need some of that. But, so yeah, she went quick, and time-lapse makes it look even quicker. A couple hours of work, and that's one more thing framed up. So pretty soon we are going to be framing up the wall above us here on the second floor in that workout area. We're going to be doing that so I can heat that easier and then separate the shop and everything, the wood shop, from the rest of it. Now that we have lights up here, or on this first floor, and with that wall framed up, we got one more wall to frame up across the front here, and we're going to put a doorway in there, but unfortunately to frame that wall up, somebody wasn't thinking when they sticker stacked all that walnut and cherry there. So I guess somebody should have pulled his head out of his ass for that one and said somebody should have moved those piles about 1 foot, 1 damn foot the other way. So that'll be fun. But what are you going to do? I think I'm going to restack them in a different orientation anyway. So I'll have to figure out where, because I don't want to put them in front of the panel box. I don't want to put them out in the middle where I have to work on tractors. We have haying equipment to pull in here this winter. I have a lot of work to do on a round baler, so we'll definitely be, you guys will be along for that one for sure. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's a short one, but I run the camera whenever I'm out here, so sometimes you get short ones, sometimes you get long ones. I guess that's like life, right? So anyway, have a good night, everybody. I'll see you on the next one.